In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort mails by date in Outlook. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click to organize your inbox so the newest or oldest messages appear just the way you want, making it faster to find what you need. Start by opening Outlook on the web in your browser. Once you're in your inbox, you'll see your list of emails in the middle of the screen and your folders on the left. Make sure you're in the folder you want to sort, like Inbox, Sent Items, or any custom folder. Sorting applies to whatever folder you're currently viewing. Now look toward the top of your message list for the Filter or Sort dropdown. Depending on your layout and screen size, it may appear as a button labeled Filter with a small funnel icon, or as a sort control with a down arrow. It's usually near the upper right area above your emails. This menu controls both filtering and sorting, so it's the one place you'll go to change how your messages are organized. Click the Filter/Sort drop down to open the menu. Inside, you'll see several ways to arrange your messages. Choose Date. As soon as you select Date, Outlook will immediately reorder your list, typically showing the most recent messages first. You'll likely notice your emails grouped under labels like today, yesterday, and last week. That grouping helps you scan quickly by time period and jump right to the time frame you care about. If you prefer to see the oldest messages at the top, look for the small sort direction toggle inside the same menu. Switching that option flips the order without changing the overall sort by setting. Keep in mind that if conversation view is turned on, Outlook sorts each thread by the most recent message in that conversation, which is why some threads may jump to the top when a new reply arrives. A couple of quick notes to make this smoother. If you don't immediately see the filter sort control, try maximizing your browser window or slightly zooming out so the toolbar has room to display. Also, if you're using focused in other tabs, your sort choice applies within whichever tab you're viewing, so check both tabs if you're hunting for a specific message by time. That's all you need. Open Outlook, use the Filter Sort dropdown, and select Date to organize your emails by time. With this simple adjustment, your inbox becomes more predictable and faster to navigate, whether you're catching up on today's messages or digging into older threads.